Welcome back. In the previous segment, we have reviewed the types of solar power plants. We did see their relationship with the fuel, whether they use light or heat, and also we did see about their connection with the grid, off-grid or on-grid. In this particular segment, we will see the various components of a solar PV system. Before seeing the individual components, let us begin with the schematic of a solar power plant. In this image, we can see a solar PV plant. Components of the solar power plants are numbered for an easier reference. The number one component for a solar power plant shall be the solar panels only, because they are the main component of the solar power plants. Their main objective is to produce electricity from the sunlight. Number two component is DCDB or DC distribution box. It is required for connecting the solar panels. Number three component is the solar inverter. It is required to convert DC electricity into AC electricity. Number four component is ACDB, or it is also called AC distribution box. It is required to connect the inverter with the load equipments. Moving on, number 5 is the net meter, which is also called as bidirectional meter. This is for the purpose of the billing and keeping the records of units transactions with the local DISCOM. It manages the import and export reading. We will see more details about the net metering in the later segments. Number 6 component is the load. Load represents the various equipments inside the home or office. Load equipments could be TV, washing machine, computer, printer, air condition, etc. Now moving on with the 7th and 8th component. These two components are for the protection purpose. Number 7 is lightning protection, which provides the protection against the lightning strikes, and number 8 is earthing, which is required for providing the safety against the electrical shock and the faults. These are the main components of any solar power plant. Apart from these main components, there are some other components too, which are also required for completing the solar power plants. In this particular segment, we have come to know about the various components of a solar PV plant. In the later segments, we will come to know more details about these components. Thank you so much for watching this. I see you in the next segment.